Alright guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna explain you that who can apply for the parents and the grandparents application for 2025. So guys, yes, I got many questions from the people saying that when they're gonna apply for their parents or grandparents to apply for their permanent residency. So guys, this is a very short video. I'm gonna explain you right here that if you can see on my screen here. So for 2025, so who can apply for this year? So starting July 28, 2025, we invited the sponsors into say from July 28, 2025. IRCC already sent the invitations to over 17,860 applicants, and they took this application from 2020 pool. So guys who applied in 2020 for their parents or grandparents for a permanent residency, the IRCC only picking up their application from 2020 pool only. So basically IRCC didn't accept any application from 2021 to 2025. So it's almost like a 5 years IRCC didn't accepting a new applications. So they only accepting the application from 2020 pool only, the people who applied in 2020. So again, if you see here that they already invited this many people, and they have until October 9th 2025 to submit their complete application. So guys, if you want to know that when the IRCC gonna accept the new application for parents and grandparents, so subscribe my channel. I gonna let you know whenever the IRCC going to accepting the new application. I gonna make a video on that on my this channel. So subscribe my channel and I will update you on this channel when the IRCC going to accept the new application for the parents and grandparents. So guys, this is all for this video, and best of luck the guys who already got the invitation for their parents and grandparents. That's all for this video. Thanks.